When a child goes astray, then the mind of the mother becomes worried. And when she cries, her tears are so pure that it is like the flow from one eye of the Ganga and from the other eye of the Jamuna. So pure. The four fruits of life can be attained not by going anywhere else, but just at the feet of the mother.